Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Google Chat. So if you first time or if you want to download Google Chat, it's very easy. You can try to open the Play Store first. Here you can try to search a Google Chat. This one you can tap it. Here if you already had I hope you can try to update it in order to fix a minor or major issues on your Google Chat. Now you can open your Google Chat. Here, in order to start a new chat in order to add someone, you can tap search in chat. Here you can add any email that your friend have. Make sure you have the email of your friend in order to add into your Google Chat. So for example, I want to add someone like from this one. Now you can start a new chat with your new friend via Google Chat. So the method is very easy. I want to repeat once more time. So in order to add someone or start a new chat with someone, you can try to tap search in chat. Now make sure you have your friend email or someone email in order to add it. So here we go. For example, now you can start new chat with someone because you already have his or her email. So feel free to try to add someone on Google Chat, start new chat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.